friends, I am Shreya. Today I am going to tell you about an interesting subject called Hubble. Hubble is a telescope. It is going to celebrate its 30th birthday on April 24, 2020. It was launched by Discovery on 1990, April 24th. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Now I am going to show you the picture of Hubble. This is the picture of Hubble. It is a telescope. This is Edwin P. Hubble. His full name is Edwin Paul Hubble. He is a famous American astronomer. His discoveries has made us to get to know about galaxies in the universe, in which Milky Way is one among them. He has also told that the universe is expanding, which led to the Big Bang theory. Now I am going to tell you about the Hubble telescope, about its features. It is the largest telescope in space till now. It was launched by Discovery in 1990. It travels 547 km above the Earth's surface. Its length is of a school bus, which weighs of 2 adult elephants. It travels 5 miles per second, that is equal to 8.046 km. It works from the power of sun, that is sun power. Now I am going to tell you about it works. It works so awesome that we get many information from the scientists. Scientists have got so many information from Hubble. It takes clear pictures of celestial bodies like planets, stars, comets, meteors, etc. It takes the pictures of light of stars, planets and light that comes from space. It has made more than 1 million observations, that is equals to 10 lakh observations. Now I am going to show you the drawing of it. Now I am going to draw the Earth. This is the Earth which I am drawing. This is the atmosphere of the Earth. Now I'm drawing the stars. Now I'm going to draw a telescope on Earth. Now I'm drawing Hubble. This is Hubble. Now the light of stars is coming on Earth, which is blocked from the atmosphere of the Earth. Hubble can take clear pictures of these. The light that is coming from stars, it can take a clear picture of these, which the telescopes on Earth cannot do, because the pollution in Earth blocks all its way and the atmosphere also blocks it. While Hubble is in the outer space, which can give clear photos of it. It can take pictures of light of anything that comes from space. Now you got to know about it. Now I am going to show you some pictures and videos. Can you see these wonderful pictures? See how beautiful they are. See, this is the Hubble Probus colorful galaxy. This is the Hubble spot spiral within a spiral. So beautiful, right? Now this is the most beautiful picture which I like. Eagle Nebula's Pillars of Creation in Infrared. See how many beautiful pictures it has took. Now you can see many pictures. See, so many beautiful pictures are there. I just love them. They are so beautiful. See this picture. How nice it is. It is called Carina Nebula's Mist Mountain. See, the mountains in space. Now I'm going to show you about the videos. Well, see this video. I'll give information about it. This is about it. It is going to say about
The Hubble Space Telescope has had
Hubble.
5 servicing missions since its launch in 1990. From servicing mission 1 in 1993 to servicing mission 4 in 2009.
This is about
Wait,
space
what? 5
astronauts
servicing missions, but the
who
last
have
one
went
was
and
called
repaired
servicing
Hubble in
mission
2009.
4. While it might
You can get many videos. You can get many information. Here is the written information, printed information. Over here there are 15 to 20 videos which you will like. It has information about Hubble. Now there's an interesting subject that is called the discoveries of Hubble. Hubble has made many discoveries which have given information to the scientists of NASA, ISRO, etc. Well, did you know the age and size of the universe? Not? Then listen to this carefully. The age of the universe estimated by scientists is 14 billion years, which is just estimated. We don't know the right age of it. The Hubble telescope has made many discoveries. This is one of it. The Hubble is also telling us that the universe is expanding faster and faster as the time goes. Now there's an interesting activity which you will like. Well, Hubble also has a good thing for you. Hubble is saying, what did Hubble see on your birthday? Do you want to get to know it? So you can copy this link called www.nasa government. Now over here down you can see there is a thing called select your birthday date. Now select your month. Well, I am selecting mine, and you should also select your date. Now you should press the button submit. Well, it is saying on October 24th in 2011. It has got this information in 2011. They have given some information on it. Now I'll show you this full image. See how beautiful it is. I think this is the one which it saw on my birthday. It's so beautiful. Now you can try others in your families. You can see others' birthday. Now I'm going to check my brother's. Well, again there's the information about it, what it saw on my brother's birthday. Now see what a beautiful picture it is. It's so colorful. There are many stars. It's so nice. You should also try this. You'll feel amazed. There's so many colors. You'll feel so happy. It's so wonderful. Now this is the link to get to know about this. It's www.nasa government content. Godardar. What did Hubble see on your birthday? Please try this. Well friends, if you like this information, please like, share and subscribe. This much for this episode. You can see my other episodes. Click on the bell icon to get to know about more of my videos. Thank you.